So today I'm going to check out this Tivorex crimper and cutter kit. I've got already on my vise one of these ends. I don't know if it's the right size actually because I haven't cut this. I'm going to cut this end off of here that's just crimped on the old way and just kind of smashed around it. And I really don't like those way. And we're going to put this one on there. And so we don't have a wire stripper. What I'm wondering is if I can use this thing to strip it. It actually is pretty darn sharp. I just have to not be afraid of it. Almost got it. So yeah, there is the ability to strip the wire on the thing. That's too big. I've got a bunch of them in here that may be the right size. Find the right size. Yep, I think that's it right there. It might even still be too big. I think this is as small as it comes with here. Oh, that's a little smaller. Okay. These are really hard, so you have to start them with a really snug wire, okay? So you want this wire to be super snug, and then you want to make sure you have this on the right setting. So I think I've got the smallest thing. So what you do is you pull this apart, and then you're going to press down on these buttons right here and move this around. And it looks like there is a one smaller one. Just kind of rotate them. Then they come in, and you want to make sure that you have them in the right spot. And that looks like it's going to do it. Let's see if I can do this all easy enough to show you guys here with just my two hands and a vise. Trying to get this to fit in there nice and snug. Yep, there it is. I'm going to bring this open. And of course, that doesn't fit that close to the vise. So we are gonna put the wire in the vise. Excuse me, running into the camera here. And see how we crimp these things here. So we got that there. We're gonna take this, put it this way. And it's really not, it's a very difficult thing to do, honestly. I think, let's see if I can get it set with it in the thing. Obviously, I am not a pro, so you guys are seeing straight up here how this is gonna feel. I have the end in the tool already. And the wire cutters were awesome and quick. Now I'm trying to do it without messing up the thing. And I'm getting a bunch of wire outside of it. So excuse the long video. For me to tell you actually how this thing works, I have to show you guys. Because I'm not going to recommend any product that I have not used. There it is. Get it on there. Crimping it down. And it didn't grab it. And it's stuck in there. Well, I'm not exactly sure what I did wrong. But I think I might have had more wire outside of it than I thought I did. And I will try one more time on the longest Amazon review video ever. And see if I can't get this thing to do what I want. I'm going to put it up like this. Still in the camera? Still in the camera. I'm going to get this on there. Well, still lost a bunch. I don't think you can lose any because it will come off. It needs to have all the wire in there to crimp on. This is like a type of wire you'd be using for car stereos or something like that. I don't know the actual gauge, but it's thickish. Okay, here we go. And there it is. Much happier. So that did it. Crimped it in. It leaves a little bit of a splint up here. Actually, I'll go around this sometimes, but that is actually on there. That is me pulling against it. It is not coming off. So that's pretty great. Now you put the heat shrink over it, send it. Does work. It does take some getting used to and finesse and patience. So nice kit. I really like the cutters that come with this. If you don't have cutters, it's really nice. It's worth buying a kit with the cutters. So I'd recommend this kit. I like it.